Welcome to Pew Pew Park. Hey guys, I decided to try something a little different. We're going to do a little taste testing. I know some people do things that taste good, like Taco Bell fries and stuff, but we're going to try something that might be disgusting. We're going to try the Sour Patch Kids syrup. You can see it's been unopened. So let's try it out. Open this up. Alright, first let's take a smell of it. It actually smells like Fruity Pebbles, so that's a good sign. Get a few pieces out. Oop. See what they look like. Kind of look like the candies. Let's try it. You definitely get the sour taste. Definitely get some sourness to it. I'm not sure how that's going to be with the milk. But, got my bowl and spoon, so let's give this a try. Milk, I don't drink milk usually, so I just got the small thing. I actually prefer vanilla almond milk. Okay, zero milk. Let's give this a try, shall we? It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still not that good. That's weird. The sour and the sour milk you definitely don't think go together, and it doesn't. Well, that's weird. It's not actually that bad. It's not good, but it's not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay, maybe it is as bad as I thought it'd be. After the sourness is gone, it's not bad. But that first bite you take when you put it in your mouth, it's just that sourness. The sourness and the milk just does not go together. I'll probably finish this box without milk. Just eat it like dry. Because with the milk, it's just, I don't know. We'll try one more bite. I understand the novelty of this, but that sourness and the milk, it's just, that's a no for me, dog. I guess that's it. Eating it dry, yeah, eating it dry is not so bad, but when you add the milk, it's just not good at all. But yeah, I'm glad I tried it because it was intriguing, but it just wasn't good at all. So I don't know if any of you have tried it. If you have, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat something good. You guys have a good day.